So today at Cook's Academy we're going to make flapjacks, and we have oats, flour, golden syrup, sugar, vanilla essence. Very easy recipe. First thing we have to do is add some sugar to the butter. So I've been kind of boiling that butter a little bit. Pour the sugar in and the golden syrup. We'll also do the vanilla essence as well. So this is all going to melt into a nice mixture. This is going to be what holds the flapjacks together. So I just want to make this as easy as possible for you to do at home. So we'll stir that there and we'll put it back on the heat. Now the next job is literally very easy. While you're waiting, you can line your tin, but also you're just going to add the porridge oats. Now you can use jumbo oats, or porridge oats are fine, or the medium oat flakes, they're all come in different sizes, and the plain flour. They're very simple ingredients. These are very traditional flapjacks. And a very easy recipe that you can just mix. There's no electric equipment needed, so a great one for the kids while they're off school. So once that's well combined, you're going to bring back your syrupy mixture. So you see how that's nice and dissolved there, all the sugar. So we're going to pour that into our oat flakes. My camera seeing all that a few times just till it's all incorporated, and then you just mix it to a nice wet mixture. Now what you want to do is make sure that you get all the bits of flour from the bottom of the bowl. So a nice big wide bowl is what I'd recommend. Don't try and mix in a bowl that's too small if possible. A few bits have come out there. Often the best bit of this is actually when it's being made. It's so tasty. Now then we push it into a lined baking tray. If you don't have a square one, you can use a rectangular one, but whatever suits. But the rectangular one just might make your flapjacks a little bit thinner, then that's fine. So you just level it off there, and that's your flapjacks made. So we're going to pop them in the oven now for about 20 to 25 minutes, could take 30 minutes. And you'll see, because they'll go nice and golden at about 180 degrees. And these flapjacks will be ready to cut in about 10 minutes. Did you get it?